students, I am Sophia, your science teacher. Today we are going to have the revision of the lesson A Clean World. World. In this lesson we have discussed about how to keep our environment and our world clean without any pollution. First of all, why we need to clean the world? That is because of our man-made things. Here we are making our environment polluted. We are polluting the environment. Environment will be polluted, like air is getting polluted, water is getting polluted, land is getting polluted. Why these all are getting polluted? Because of human actions. Like whenever we are using vehicles, and the fuel used in the vehicles releases carbon dioxide and as well as some other harmful gases like methane, which will mix up with the air present in the atmosphere and causes the destruction. Like it can be harmful for the human beings, for the living organisms like plants, animals, and as well as for the historical monuments as well. So why this? So what we have to do? We have to prevent pollution to make our world clean. Next one, that is what here? Water pollution. How water pollution is caused? That is because of the human activities itself. We are using industries, right? That means all the factories and industries will release harmful water which contains chemicals in them. So as that water will be mixed up with the sea water, with the river water, lake water and the pond water, which causes damage to the aquatic organisms and as well as for the water. And that water, if it is consumed by any of the living organisms, it will create a furry in their life. Like, so what we have to do before releasing the water into the water bodies, the water should be treated. Like it should be disinfected by using chlorine or ozone, right? Because these two are the disinfectants used for removing the impurities from the water. So the people who are working in the factories, they should take care, or the people who have their factories, they should take care that before releasing the water into the water bodies, they have to treat it properly. After treating it properly, they have to release it into the water bodies. It will not cause damage to the aquatic organisms or the living organisms. And next one is the land pollution. Polluting the soil is nothing but the land pollution. How soil will get polluted? Because of the different activities. Like farmers will be using pesticides, insecticides and fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers have more chemicals. Chemical fertilizers are useful for the production, right? They will increase the productivity of the plant. So if you want to get 20 kgs of something, then you can use chemical fertilizer. So if you are using chemical fertilizer, then you will get 20 kgs of that fruit or the vegetable. But in exchange, these chemical fertilizers will spoil your soil. They will take up the goodness of the soil, and that will not be shown immediately. That the effect on the soil will be seen after some days or after some years. So first, chemical fertilizers we are using, and not only that, we are using some chemicals which are not good for the soil. It will take up the goodness of the soil and make the soil polluted. And the last pollution is noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused because of the more noise, okay, because unpleasant sound. Like some people are shouting. For example, we have a gathering, like we have party or something at our home. What will happen? Many people will gather, right? So when many people will gather, many people will be talking, laughing and all what not will be going on. Everyone will be laughing, dancing or whatever it may be. So how much noise they will make, how much of sound they will make, that will be unpleasant to listen. We don't want to listen it again and again. That is what? Unpleasant. We don't want to listen it. That means it is unpleasant to listen. The sound which is unpleasant to listen is called as noise. So noise pollution is caused because of the loudspeakers used in the parties or in the homes, DJ boxes are the horns of the vehicles. When if it is in a traffic jam, continuously people will be beeping the horn, right? So what happens? Continuous horn sound will be coming. It is also nothing but a cause of noise pollution. Noise pollution is very dangerous. It looks small but it is very dangerous. Sometimes it may result in the memory loss and as well as the loss of hearing. Okay, means that the people who are continuously having this noise pollution, they may lose their power of listening and as well as they may lose their memory. So, how to avoid all this? How to make our world clean? By preventing all these pollutions. First of all, we have to take care of air pollution. We should use the vehicles. Obviously, we are using the vehicles. In that vehicles, we are taking some fuel which will be burnt and giving out the harmful gases. What we have to do? We have to get it regularly checked. The vehicle air pollution will be checked. Okay, you can see at the sides of the road when van will be standing, on that it will be written for air pollution check like that. So vehicles will be checked there. You have to get your vehicle checked, and you have to use CNG and LPG cylinders to avoid air pollution, because CNG and LPG gases will not have that much of harmful pollutants in them. And in the same way for water pollution. Before releasing the harmful water into the water bodies, water should be treated with chlorine tablets and the ozone gas. It will avoid all the unnecessary destruction. And next one is about soil pollution. So soil pollution, you should separate. That means here when we are using some chemicals or something, the goodness of the soil is lost. So what we have to do, we have to get it back. How to get it back? We have to, while disposing the waste like garbage, dry waste and the wet waste should be separated. Biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste should be separated. First of all, dry, wet waste should be separated. Both are dumped in different areas, and this is the responsibility of municipality people. They will be taking care of where to dump the garbage. So, biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste means which will not decompose, which will not change into soil, plastics and all the plastic things. Whereas biodegradable waste is the waste which will mix up with the soil, it will be decomposed and degraded into the soil after some days or after some months. So that biodegradable waste you have to dump in the soil. So what happens? We have to make a ditch and you have to throw all biodegradable in the soil and cover it with some layer of soil. After 1 week or 2 weeks, you will observe that the complete garbage which was biodegradable will change into the manure. That manure is too beneficial for the soil. This is very good. So that manure you have to collect and again you have to dump in the soil. So what happens? The goodness of soil will be retained. So in this way we can avoid soil pollution and we can improve the quality of the soil. Next one is noise pollution. So you should not use the vehicles which does not have silencers. Usually that some people, they were like Bullet is a vehicle, Bullet is a bike which have lot of, even though it has silencer, it will be giving out the sound. So some people, usually boys, are crazy about that bike. So what they will do, they will remove the silencer from their normal bikes like from Pulsar or Passion. So what they have to do, they should not remove the silencer. What happens? Because of its unpleasant sound, noise pollution will be caused. And try to avoid all the DJs, loudspeakers whenever you are at the gatherings. Okay, and try to be normal and talk with normal tone, that anyone should not get disturbed because of your tone or because of your gatherings. And in this way you can avoid all these pollutions. So all these we have discussed in the lesson A Clean World. And to keep or to dispose the sewage, it is not only the responsibility of the municipality people, but it is the responsibility of each and every individual. It is my responsibility, your responsibility, our parents' responsibility, everyone's responsibility, because it is our planet. We have to keep our planet clean, right? If we are not using this all, if we are not following this all instructions which we are getting now, then it may be very dangerous to survive on the earth. So if we want to survive on the earth, we have to follow the instructions. We have to, like a friend, we should be eco-friendly. We should be friendly with animals, human beings, plants, and as well as with our nature. Without nature, we are nothing. So, it is your responsibility, students, to separate the wet waste and dry waste. You should not use noise, okay? You should not irritate your parents with the noise, and you should not if someone is asking you how to avoid pollution, or the people who are smaller than you have to explain them. Small things you can do, and you can help your parents. Students, this was about clean world revision. You have revised the topic once again. You go through the videos properly, go through the homework, whatever I have given, notes, whatever I have given, and get ready for the exam. So all the best, write well. Thank you. Bye bye.